Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the training control template. First, let's go into the settings page. As you can see, the main landing page allows you to enter and change parameters to set up your sheet. We can first set up the language, which we'll leave as English, then set up the provider list, in-house or external company, and the status list, where we have completed, in progress, cancelled, and scheduled. Let's go into the translation submenu. Here, we can see we have 3 languages available: English, French, Portuguese. A section Another Language will allow you to set up a new language by simply translating all the expressions listed. Then, go back into the Settings main page and change your language. Let's move on to the Registration tab. The first submenu, the roles, allow you to enter a list of job titles. We'll enter a new one called Data Analyst. Let's move on to the department section. We'll create a new department called Data Analysis. And we'll set an annual budget of $10,000. The Employee section is an employee database. Let's enter a new employee. We will call him John Smith. We'll enter a dummy email address and a dummy phone number. We'll assign his role as our newly created role, Data Analyst. And we'll set the department as Data Analysis. Finally, the Training submenu. This is where you enter the list of training courses and their duration. Let's add Tableau. And we'll say it is a 15-hour course. Great! Now let's head to the main data input section, the training database. This is where we enter each training employees have received. Let's enter a new record together. We'll select our new employee, John Smith. And we'll assign the Tableau training to him. We'll indicate the training is provided in-house and set a start date of the 1st of September 2020. And for the end date, we'll put it as the 5th. The year will auto-calculate, as well as the duration. We'll enter a unit cost of $1,000 and set the status as completed. That's it! We're now ready to look at the results. Firstly, the actual versus budget section. It starts by showing an overview of actual training spend versus budget and details a department breakdown in the table below. As you can see in our newly created department, Data Analysis, we have a budget of $10,000 and spent $1,000 so far, meaning we have used 10% of the budget and have $9,000 remaining. Let's move on to the overview report. This is a table detailing every employee's training per department, with filters, allowing you to view only certain departments or certain roles. Or specific type of training. Let's look into the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of the main metrics, from the number of trainings, total duration, cost and budget, etc. We have, amongst other, the number of training per status, the number of training per year, or per provider and per year, etc. Finally, the monthly dashboard. As you can see, the monthly dashboard allows you to select a year. We'll pick 2020, for instance. It allows you to visualize the trainings per month. We can see, amongst other, the number of training per status, the number of training per month, and the number of training per status and per month. We can also see the number of trainings per provider and per month, as well as the total cost per month. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about our training control template, and you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!